Welcome to Smart Ledger Pro. Let's set up your Firebase database for secure, private, and automatic backups. Your data stays under your control in your own cloud. Just follow these 4 simple steps to get started.
First, you have to open Smart Ledger Pro app. Click the app. Click to sign in with Google. Now, you have to change shop name into your name or your shop name. And also, you can change your email address with this. Click Sign In when you're done. Now, how to set up real-time database. So you have to click Setting icon or Setting button over here. So this is the Settings section that you can change your all settings from. Here, and so now scroll down. So over here, you click to How to set up Firebase database. Click over here. Now click to Copy Firebase Rules button because you need these rules. So first copy it. Now scroll down more and now click to Open Firebase Console button here. In my case, I have done some project like this. So it looked like this. Create a new Firebase project. In your case, maybe look like this for a new project. So click Get Start by setting up a Firebase project. Click over here. Enter your project name here, like Shop 112233, anything you want, and click Continue. Scroll down, click Continue. Scroll down again, click Continue. Now you have to select Account. Click over here, and you can create a new project with your name. Or select Default Account for Firebase. I am going to select Default. Now click to Create Project. Now Firebase will create your project, so you have to wait some time. Just wait for creating a project. When your project is ready, click Continue. In here, you have to close this pop-up with X button. Now, click to 3-dot menu over here. And click Database and Storage. Now, you have to click Real-Time Database. Wait a moment. Now, you have to click Create Database over here. Now, click over here. Okay, now you can select your region that you want. You can select nearest you that anyone. You can select any one. From here, I am going to select Singapore. Click Next. Now click Enable. Wait a moment. Now your database is ready. Now click Rules tab, and you have to clear these rules. So click here and press the back button. So click all the rules code here. From here, and now you have to click in this section with long press for 1 second and paste this code. This code you copy from the Smart Ledger Pro app. And now click Publish. You will publish it. So now you again click Data tab over here, and now click to Copy button over here. Your link is copied. So now get back into the app. Okay, so in over here, click to Got it. Now you have to click to Paste button. Click on it and paste this code in Firebase database URL section, okay? And enter a backup pin or security pin, and you have to remember this pin code. So enter your pin code carefully. I'm going to just showing you Shop 1122. You have to remember this code. If you delete application, install again, and you get your all backup. So you have to remember this pin code. So when you're done, click Save Setting. Okay, your Firebase database is set up with your app. So now go back, and this application now automatically saves your backup in Firebase Realtime Database. That's it.
Setup complete. Your financial data is now safe, private, and fully automated. Enjoy peace of mind.